Peeps, one of the most topical issues in Jamaica in recent days is the situation surrounding Member of Parliament for Western Portland and Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation with responsibility for land, the environment and climate change, Daryl Vaz.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Vaz has been in the spotlight recently after news broke that his visa was revoked by the US Embassy. There has been a swirling speculation as to why or what may have led to the revocation of the visa. Subsequently, on Friday the 10th of January, I started receiving some screenshots from my viewers and subscribers who would have been monitoring discussions on social media platform Twitter. And at the center of those discussions and speculation was the situation surrounding the fact that US Marshals had arrived in Jamaica to detain a member of the Jamaica Labour Party as an extradition order was issued some 10 days ago. A part of the discussion was the fact that the Prime Minister or any member of the Jamaica Labour Party has failed to come out and address the situation. Initial indications are that one Lambert Brown, Senator from the People's National Party, may have been the most vocal person in seeking a response from the Prime Minister or members of the Jamaica Labour Party. So much so that a public spat developed between Lambert Brown and Daryl Vaz on Twitter, where some very unsavory things were said from both parties. However, the rumors persisted, and on Saturday, Daryl Vaz, while speaking on Nationwide, was asked about the status of his visa, and he had this to say.
Time is up on us, Minister, but just before you go, how is your visa matter going?
As I indicated when I made my first public statement that I'd keep the country informed if there was any change. As of right now, there's no change in the status, but I continue to pursue it vigorously and will continue to do so.
After answering that question, the Nationwide reporter also asked Daryl Vaz about the rumors circulating that a plane had landed in Jamaica and US Marshals were here to extradite him. This is what he had to say.
The reason I ask is because I see folks on social media saying it has escalated and a plane is in Jamaica for you.
Oh my goodness, I'm in Portland now, heading back to Kingston in a plane. But just to say that, obviously I can't comment other than to say that I'm continuing to vigorously deal with it, and there's no change in the status as of now. In relation to all the rumors which I'm subjected to, and that has been my life story, I just want to say that it is the usual politics. And of course, the politics gets worse in the silly season of election. But I have some advice for the PNP. Don't worry about this D in Daryl. Concentrate on the other two Ds, Damien and Dayton, and you'll be better off.
Despite Vaz addressing the situation, the rumors persisted and the firestorm on Twitter especially continued to spread. So much so that the US Embassy intervened, and on their Twitter page they posted a tweet suggesting that the rumors are unfounded. The content of said tweet read as follows. Contrary to social media rumors, there is no extradition request for any minister of the Jamaican government from the United States government. The Jamaican government has been very cooperative with the United States government on these matters. That is what the tweet had to say. Generally speaking, the US Embassy does not address rumors and does not address issues re-visa or extraditions. But for whatever reason, they saw it fit and felt the need to have dispelled the rumors. Perhaps because of the status of the person involved. Would they have done that for you or me? Very unlikely. The Prime Minister himself, despite his silence on the matter while questions were being asked, have also spoken since the US Embassy addressed the matter. In a tweet on his Twitter page, the Prime Minister said, "The PNP operatives who have been carrying rumors and fake news should know that the era of social media is not just for those who would seek to use it negatively. More so, it is a tool for transparency, clarity, and integrity." So the discussions continue. When I was growing up, my grandmother often said, "You never see smoke without fire." So are there embers somewhere smoldering? Are there coals that are reigniting? I do not know. But many persons are quick to make connections between the revocation of the visa and these rumors and speculations. And I must say that when these screenshots were being sent to me, I was very skeptical. Even though I do not know the intricacies of the extradition process, and I will be doing a video as to how the extradition process works from start to finish soon, so you can look out for that. I know that there are certain procedures and protocols that must be followed for an extradition order to be executed and someone to be extradited from Jamaica to the United States. Generally speaking, after the extradition order is issued, it goes through certain channels and avenues. Eventually, the person is detained and brought in front of the courts. That person have two options. The person can waive their right to an extradition hearing and be extradited, or they can decide to fight the extradition, and they can fight the extradition up to the Court of Appeals. If they fail, then they will be extradited. That is when U.S. Marshals normally come in to take these persons to the United States. One, if they waive their right to an extradition hearing, or if the courts find that there are grounds for the extradition to go through. And rest assured, if Daryl Vaz or any member of parliament or any high-profile politicians in Jamaica is brought in front of a court for an extradition hearing after an extradition order, it would have been breaking news. And I am not here suggesting that it is totally impossible for a politician to be extradited. I am just saying there are protocols, there are procedures, and there are laws involved. Look out for the video on how the extradition process works. We'll talk soon.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.